Welcome to the Ampere with me, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should go to the Play Store, and here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why I just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, click yes, agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. Now just here we can see the information about health of our device battery, and in my case that's good. Also we can find here more information like the battery level, capacity, device voltage, Android version, model of our device, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.